Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi ZTE Easy Guide. First, ensure your ZTE device is ready for setup. Carefully unbox it and locate all accessories, including the power adapter and any provided cables. Position your device in a central area of your home or office, ideally in an open space, to maximize signal strength. Now, plug in the power adapter and gently press the power button, allowing it about 1 minute to fully power on and initialize. Now that your ZTE device is powered on, find the unique network name, often called the SSID, and its corresponding password. These vital details are usually printed on a sticker located on the bottom or back of the device. Access the Wi-Fi settings on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Look for the network name matching what you found, select it from the list, and then carefully input the password to connect successfully. You should now have internet access. To customize your network, you will need to access the device's administrative interface. Locate the default IP address, often something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, along with the administrator username and password, typically found on the same label as your Wi-Fi credentials. Open any web browser. Type this IP address into the address bar, and then enter your administrator login details to access your device's comprehensive settings. With access to the admin panel, you can now personalize your network and boost security. Start by changing the default Wi-Fi network name and creating a strong, unique password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Regularly check for and install any available firmware updates to ensure your device operates with the latest security patches and features. You can also configure a separate guest network, control access times, and explore other advanced options for a truly customized experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.